We spoke about supplements, so let's take a deep dive into what kind of supplements can you have in your life to increase or to protect yourself from genomic instability. My first favorite one is NAD precursors. Now, these are molecules that help us protect against DNA damage and they support our cellular health. NAD itself is a coenzyme that plays a crucial role in DNA repair and energy production. Supplements like nicotinamide riboside, nicotinamide mononucleotide, which is NR or NMN, can actually get into your body and boost your NAD levels, and you can find them at any website or your local drugstore. The second one is resveratrol. Now, this is a compound that is found in red wine and it can protect against DNA damage. Resveratrol activates certain proteins that help maintain the DNA integrity and also support cellular processes and repair processes within the genome. The next is stocking up on some vitamin C and vitamin E. Why? Because vitamin C and vitamin E are antioxidants and they help neutralize all these free radicals like we spoke about earlier, and it protects the body against oxidative stress. It also protects your cells against membrane damage. Those were the top supplements.